Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. For your daily energy, Sagittarius, these are the cards. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So, if you want more clarity in your situation, if you have some questions, you can watch that pick a card love reading that will come right after this daily reading, Sagittarius. So these are the cards here, Sagittarius, for your daily energies. Magician in reverse, 5 of swords and 2 of swords in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, Sagittarius, maybe in your situation you have that faith and confidence in you, about the way you handle your situation. You have, maybe sometimes you may be too confident, guys. It may be overconfidence, so it may take you towards something difficult. It may be something to do in your career. Maybe you are overconfident about your skills and talents, and you are you are too proud and you are neglecting people, so they may be working against you, guys. So they feel that they cannot trust you and they cannot rely on you. You are too proud, maybe you are not skilled enough. That is what they feel. So some kind of misunderstandings in your career situation, or it may be something to do in your personal life. So this person feels that you are not to be trusted, or this may be their energy, guys. You feel that you cannot trust them because they are not what they are speaking. So they may not be speaking the truth, they are hiding something, so they cannot be trusted. That is what you feel with this person. And maybe for some of them they may be quite emotional. Their mental wavelength and your wavelength may be different, and you don't find that understanding with them, guys. Again, that may work against this connection, against this love, Sagittarius. This may be your energy or their energy, guys. That is what I see with these cards. For a more detailed love reading, Sagittarius, please watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your detailed love reading, guys, these are the cards. So we have one card from each pile, guys, and this pick a card will be very specific. So whatever your situation is, if you want any clarity, you can think about it. You can meditate on those for a few seconds. Close your eyes and remain silent. Then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. Choose the card here. So may answer your questions, guys. This is the first card and this is the second card. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so let's start with the first deck. The first card. This card is from the Rumi Oracle deck, Whirling Goddess. So let's start the reading with poetry from Rumi, guys. Lose your head. Not a single thread that has a head can go through the eye of the needle. Rumi. So that is the essence of this card. So this situation where you are in, this is somewhere you are meant to be. It is here you are meant to be right now, guys. And there is a gift right under your nose. The fragrant wine in your glass, or gleaming red. of the rubies, whatever it is, to be here now. But you must pass through the eye hole. And to pass through the eye hole, in your heart you may feel that you will be able to do it. But in your head tells you otherwise. Your head tells you that it is not possible to pass through this eye hole, even though even though you are already in the eye hole, your body is already passing through the eye hole into that endless world beyond, something unknown, but that gives you more bliss and happiness. So you have to leave your minds to the struggles for a moment, and you should think with your heart, not your mind today, guys. That is the message here. So if you want growth, your mind is what is holding you back. And if you have made your decisions with your mind till now, it may be wrong today. You have to think with your heart. So if you think with your heart, you will see that there are endless opportunities opening right in front of you in your life. And mind is what is resisting you, blocking you from moving forward today. So you are ready for this situation, and you are ready. Those certain things, you may fear that something unknown may come your way and you may not be able to go through that situation harmoniously. But whatever be the case, you have to let go of this stigma that you have within yourself. You will be able to manage whatever the situation is, and that is the assurance with this card. The destiny or divinity or a God or the universe, whatever you call it, that is what is handling your situation right now. That is what is working on the knots, whatever you have in life. So you need not fear. You just have to enjoy this present situation, guys. So if there is an issue you have today, something you feel that you cannot solve, something uncertain, you can be assured that it is your destiny or divinity or that higher power or God, whatever you call it, that is what is unfolding your life as it should. And in your heart of hearts, whatever steps you are getting in response of your circumstance, you have to live up to that. Live free. That is the message with this card, guys. Such a beautiful message today, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. So for those who have chosen this deck, the second deck, let's see what is the card. Mending. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation, each time we are hurt and we allow that hurt to pass through us without understanding and without integration, we just accumulate that unwanted burden. And this keeps us chained to the very things that we need to heal in our situation, that pain, memories, and echoes of the past hurts. So today, and we go all over again and again, thinking about that resentments we have and that arguments we had. So this is the time for mending rifts and healing wounds and letting go of that old hurts, whatever we had, and reclaim our power by releasing this negative energy, by forgiving and making peace and setting ourselves free today. So today, maybe we may feel that we cannot forgive, this person has done too much. But right now, forgiving that person is what is the important thing that we can do today, guys. So even if we are not up for it, We need to clear this energy, this negative energy, and bridge this gap. Closing our heart is not the answer to heal this wound. So you have to ask yourself, what will be our reaction if we have love in our heart towards that person? So always love will answer for forgiveness, will stand up for forgiveness and honest redress. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. So if you are thinking of your past, brooding over your past, resenting your past and hurt by your past, you need to overcome that by healing yourself. And the way to heal yourself is to go and make amends. Maybe you have to say sorry, or you have to if that person is ready to tell you sorry, you have to accept it and let it go, let that past go. So that way you will heal and that other person involved will also heal in the situation, guys. So that is the message with this card, guys, for your love reading. Thank you for watching this pick a card reading, guys. If you like this reading, if this reading resonated, and if it had answered any questions of yours or cleared any doubts, please let me know through your comments. I'll be happy to know, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.